Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our Conversational Urdu course. Today we will learn some more everyday phrases that you can use in different situations. Let's get started. The first phrase is Subah Bakhair, which means good morning. You can use this when you greet someone in the morning. Repeat after me. Subah Bakhair. Subah Bakhair. In the evening, you can say Shaam Bakhair. Shaam Bakhair, which means good evening. It is a polite way to greet someone later in the day. Say it with me. Shaam Bakhair. Shaam Bakhair. When it's time to say goodbye, we use Khuda Hafiz, which means goodbye or may God protect you. This is a respectful way to end a conversation. Let's say it together. Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz. To ask someone how they are, you can say آپ کیسے ہیں. If you are talking to a man, repeat after me. آپ کیسے ہیں. آپ کیسے ہیں. If you are talking to a woman, you would say آپ کیسی ہیں. It's important to know the difference. Let's try it together. آپ کیسی ہیں. آپ کیسی ہیں. When someone asks how you are, you can respond with میں ٹھیک ہوں, which means I am fine. Say it with me. میں ٹھیک ہوں. میں ٹھیک ہوں. So, today we have learned how to greet someone in the morning and evening, say goodbye, ask how someone is, and respond to that. These phrases are important in the daily conversations. So make sure to practice. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Watch, comment, and share my videos. That's all for today. Khuda Hafiz.